Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really special sitting right here in front of us. And if you are a fan of adventure touring motorcycles, then you already know what this machine is about. The motorcycle has been one of the most beloved middleweight adventure bikes on the planet for over 2 decades now. Today, we are going to go through absolutely everything you need to know about this motorcycle. This is Suzuki V-Strom 650, and you are watching Revive and Ride Garage. Whether you are a beginner rider looking for your first big adventure bike or an experienced rider who wants a dependable everyday companion for both city riding and long-distance touring, this video is going to give you the complete picture. So let us get right into it and start talking about what makes this motorcycle so special. There is genuinely a lot to cover here, and I want to make sure we do justice to every single aspect of this bike, starting from the way it looks all the way through, to how it performs on the open road and everything in between. First, let us talk about the design and styling of the V-Strom 650. When you look at this bike, the first thing that catches your attention is that signature beak-style front end. A design element inspired by Suzuki's legendary DRZ desert racing heritage. It gives the motorcycle a purposeful and aggressive appearance that immediately signals adventure capability. The overall proportions of the V-Strom are extremely well balanced. You get a tall, upright riding position that provides excellent comfort on long journeys and great visibility in traffic. The angular fuel tank adds a muscular and confident appearance, while the entire silhouette looks functional and capable, rather than flashy or over-designed. Now let us move on to the engine, because this is where the V-Strom 650 truly shines. At the heart of the motorcycle sits a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that Suzuki has refined and perfected over many years. The result is an engine that delivers power in one of the most usable and enjoyable ways possible. The V-twin configuration provides excellent low-end and mid-range torque, meaning you have plenty of pulling power available even at lower RPMs. This makes the bike incredibly enjoyable in real-world riding conditions. Whether you are accelerating away from traffic lights in the city or overtaking vehicles on the highway, the V-Strom responds smoothly and confidently. The engine produces around 69 horsepower, which is a very healthy figure for a 650 cubic centimeter adventure motorcycle. Power delivery is smooth, predictable, and linear, making the bike approachable even for less experienced riders. The fuel injection system is also very refined, with crisp throttle response and reliable cold starts in varying weather conditions. Now let us talk about the chassis and suspension. Suzuki has done an impressive job with the frame and running gear of the V-Strom 650. The twin-spar aluminum frame keeps weight under control while providing excellent rigidity and stability. At the front, you get a 43mm telescopic fork, while the rear features a preload adjustable monoshock suspension system. The setup strikes an excellent balance between comfort and handling precision, making the bike equally capable on highways, twisty roads, and light off-road trails. The braking system is another strong point. The V-Strom 650 comes equipped with dual front disc brakes and a rear disc brake, supported by a well-calibrated ABS system. Braking performance is strong and confidence-inspiring, while the ABS provides an added layer of safety, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Moving on to ergonomics, this is one of the areas where the V-Strom 650 excels. Adventure motorcycles are designed to cover long distances, and comfort plays a huge role in the overall riding experience. The wide handlebars, upright seating position, and well-padded seat allow riders to remain comfortable for hours at a time. Foot peg placement is relaxed, reducing fatigue on long journeys, and some versions even offer adjustable seat height options to suit riders of different heights. Now, let us discuss the technology and features. Modern versions of the V-Strom 650 come equipped with traction control, which helps maintain grip by reducing engine output if the rear wheel begins to lose traction. It is a valuable safety feature, especially when riding in rain or on loose surfaces. The instrument cluster provides all essential information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, coolant temperature, and trip data. Suzuki's low RRPM assist system also helps prevent stalling during slow-speed riding, making city commuting easier and more convenient. Finally, let us talk about practicality and touring capability, because this is where the V-Strom 650 really earns its reputation. The 20-liter fuel tank, combined with excellent fuel economy, allows riders to travel long distances between fuel stops. Suzuki also offers a wide range of touring accessories, including panniers, top boxes, and luggage systems that transform the V-Strom into a serious, long-distance touring machine. The windscreen provides effective wind protection, helping reduce rider fatigue during extended highway journeys. Overall, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 remains one of the best all-around adventure motorcycles on the market. It is comfortable, reliable, practical, economical, and incredibly versatile. That combination of qualities explains why it has remained so popular for so many years and why riders around the world continue to trust it as their go-anywhere, do-anything motorcycle, if you want to ride without its intervention. But for most riders, in most situations, having it active gives you an extra layer of confidence and security that allows you to push a little harder, knowing that the electronics have your back, and there is also a revised fuel injection mapping in modern versions that delivers smoother and more responsive throttle response in all conditions, and the instrument cluster is a comprehensive unit that gives you all the information you need at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel level, coolant temperature, and trip information. And it is all displayed clearly and legibly, even in bright sunlight, which is not something you can always take for granted with motorcycle instrument clusters. And the bike also comes with Suzuki's low RPM assist function, which prevents the engine from stalling when you are pulling away slowly in heavy traffic. A very practical feature for urban riding. And the mirrors are large and well positioned, giving you excellent rear visibility, which is another small but important detail that contributes to the overall usability of this motorcycle in everyday riding situations. Now let us talk about the practicality and the touring capability of the V-Strom 650, because this is ultimately what defines the character of this motorcycle more than anything else. And the news here is very good, because the V-Strom is genuinely one of the most practical and capable touring motorcycles you can buy. At this price point, the fuel tank holds around 20 liters, which gives you a very respectable range between fill-ups thanks to the efficient nature of the V-twin engine. And in real-world riding, you can expect somewhere between 18 and 22 kilometers per liter, depending on how you ride and what conditions you are riding in. And this means you can cover serious distances between fuel stops, which matters enormously when you are traveling through remote areas where petrol stations can be far apart, and the bike has a comprehensive range of official Suzuki accessories available, including panniers, top boxes, tank bags, and various other luggage solutions that allow you to transform the V-Strom into a fully loaded long-distance touring machine capable of carrying everything you need for a week's worth of riding. And the windscreen provides effective wind protection for highway riding, keeping the buffeting down to manageable levels and reducing rider fatigue significantly on long motorway stretches. And the overall build quality of the V-Strom 650 is very high, with Suzuki's legendary reliability, ensuring that this motorcycle will give you years of trouble-free service with regular maintenance. And overall, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 is simply one of the best all-round motorcycles you can buy. It delivers a genuinely thrilling riding experience while being practical, comfortable, reliable, affordable to run, and easy to live with on a daily basis. And that combination of qualities is why it has been such a consistent bestseller, and why riders who own them tend to keep them for many years, because once you experience what this motorcycle can do for you, it becomes very hard to imagine going back to anything else.